go to math.com, working some calculus. Let's look at infinite limits here. And we are in section 4, or button 4, whatever you want to call it. Now, this one says evaluate the limit. The limit as x approaches 0 coming in from the left-hand side of 2 over x. Of 2 over x. Can we remember all that? 2 over x. We got the limit as x approaches 0 from the left of 2 over x. Now, what you could do is, you could do this numerically, right? And that means that, as a matter of fact, let's just kind of sketch out what the graph might look like here. All right, so I'm just going to tell you what this graph looks like. Let's not beat around the bush. And then it's going to do something like that. Now we're approaching 0. 0 is obviously right here. And we're coming in from the left-hand side. Okay, we're coming in from the left-hand side. Now, obviously, the limit does not exist at 0. Okay, this limit right here, the limit as x approaches 0 of 2 over x, does not exist. We've got it coming in from the left hand side, it's going down to infinity. Coming in from the right hand side, it's going up to infinity, positive infinity. So this limit really doesn't exist. However, what we're going to do here is we are going to tell you which way, the behavior of the graph, I should say. And that behavior, as you can see, as we get closer and closer to 0 from the left, what is happening to our y value? It's heading down towards negative infinity. Alright, negative infinity. Now, we're saying this, and this just describes the behavior of the graph. Alright, describes the behavior of the graph, the direction of the graph, however you want to say it. Remember, this is always equal to a real number. This is obviously not a real number. But when we do say this, what we mean is we're just saying this is what the graph, the behavior of the graph is like. Alright, so we talked about vertical asymptotes, and we have a vertical asymptote, and that is the y-axis. And all these problems, that's where we're going to be talking about. We're going to be approaching these vertical asymptotes, and that's what we're doing here. We're approaching the vertical asymptote to the left, and we're saying, hey, is it going to positive infinity or negative infinity, the graph? And it's obviously going down to negative infinity. Okay, so let's try to get that straight. Try to get it straight. And of course, that's what we've got. Okay, we're at the home. See you there.